Bitfinex Trading Platform App. The pros, the cons. The Bitfinex Trading Platform app is one of the most powerful cryptocurrency trading tools available today. You won't believe the level of control it gives users, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for professional traders. It can be useful for serious beginners too. On the pros side, Bitfinex offers access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies with advanced charting, margin trading, and lending features. The app provides customizable dashboards, real-time market data, and smart order types including stop, trailing stop, and fill or kill. Security is robust with two-factor authentication, IP whitelisting, and cold wallet storage for the majority of funds. The platform also supports fiat currencies, allowing smooth deposits and withdrawals. Cons include a steep learning curve, especially for beginners who might find the interface overwhelming. Fees are generally reasonable, but margin trading can add complexity. Like many centralized exchanges, Bitfinex uses custodial wallets, so users don't hold private keys directly. Regulatory restrictions may also limit availability in certain regions. In conclusion, the Bitfinex Trading Platform app is ideal for users who want deep functionality and advanced trading tools. Beginners willing to learn the ropes can benefit from the extensive resources and demo features, while professional traders will appreciate the full suite of features for margin, lending, and algorithmic trading.